And I believe there's some stormy weather on the way.
Has the storm been named, Louise?
Yes, Rose. Just earlier today, the Met Office have named it as Storm Eowyn. This is actually the 5th named storm of the season so far. We can expect winds to reach possibly 90 miles per hour around the coast and 60 to 70 miles per hour inland. So there is a possibility of some disruption through Friday. We have that yellow wind warning in place. Now, to put it all in context at the minute, our weather has been driven by very cold weather across parts of America. You can see the jet stream there is really ramping up, going at 250 miles per hour. That then is helping to cause some deep cyclogenesis with low pressure systems feeding through, giving a very stormy end to the week. We do have slightly calmer conditions through Saturday, so perfect conditions for bird watching, but then we have further unsettled conditions, possibly further stormy conditions into the start of next week, so something to keep an eye on. And here is your latest weather forecast. So we have a rather unsettled period of weather coming our way towards the end of the week. Storm Eowyn arrives through on Friday with the yellow weather warning for wind in place. Strengthening winds expected to gust at 90 miles per hour around the coast, 60 to 70 miles per hour inland, and there is the potential for some disruption. So do keep an eye on the forecast for any changes. You can see Eowyn pushing through there on Friday. We do have some sleet and snow in the leading edge of that, falling mostly over the hills and higher ground, with some heavy rain expected to fall elsewhere. Tonight, though, it's a largely dry, cloudy end to the day. 1 or 2 scattered showers, but they should fade out as we move through the early hours. Some mist and fog patches will form, becoming quite dense in places. Where we have any breaks in the cloud, we could see a frost form, some icy stretches as temperatures fall just below freezing in the coldest rural spots. So a cool, chilly start tomorrow. Quite a cloudy, murky start today. Mist and fog lingering for a time. A number of scattered showers pushing in across the west, but it should stay largely dry for most. Variable amounts of clouds, some bright and sunny spells into the afternoon with a top temperature of 6 degrees Celsius with light winds. Across the rest of Ireland, it's a misty, foggy start, brightening up into the afternoon. A largely dry day, just 1 or 2 scattered showers with light winds and a top temperature of 8 or 9 degrees Celsius. So taking a look ahead then towards Friday, we have that warning for strong winds in place from midnight on Friday. We can expect some very heavy showers to push through, some sleet or snow on the leading edge falling over the hills, but turning back to rain as we move through into the afternoon. The winds will slowly ease off as we head towards Saturday morning. That is the very latest. Have a lovely evening. Bye-bye for now.